Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta open up the WhatsApp app and tap on settings right here. Now tap on chats. And then once that's done, you will have chat backup in here. So tap on it. Now, as you can see here, auto backup is disabled by default. So you're gonna wanna set this one to daily, weekly, or monthly. If I were you, I'm just gonna set this up daily. Okay, so go ahead and go back, and then if you want to include videos, go ahead and enable this one as well. So it says here backup to iCloud. So if you switch to a new iPhone, you can safely restore your chat history after you reinstall WhatsApp. So to do that, go ahead and open up your iPhone settings right here. Now tap on your iCloud again, and here just make sure that saving is not paused. Okay, tap on see all right here, find WhatsApp, and just make sure that this one is enabled. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you back up your WhatsApp messages on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.